Jamaica, shore fishing. Catch the vibes. Pull it up. Pull it up, 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 pull it up. Sun bust early on the Caribbean blue. Riding on me and yeah, me know what to do. Man take go be a breeze, kiss my face. Salt for my skin, yeah, me day in my place. Camera rolling, whole crew live. When the line starts scream, you know, say we arrive. Real spin fast, heartbeat quick. From the sea to the screen, yeah, we never miss.
When the water start boil and the rod them bend, every man pon deck knows say this a win. Pull it slow, hold it firm, don't rush the fight. When Jamaican shore fishing, they are it right.
Talk Jamaican shore fishing, pull it in. Pop big wave rock, yeah, we ride in the wind.
Ooh, fish on, guys, fish on. Got you. Woo! Fish on! Ooh, fish on, guys. Ooh! Yeah! Yeah, baby! He's chasing it, chasing it, chasing it, chasing it, chasing it. Not, ooh! Got him! Fish on! My cousin Tony's gonna try fishing for his first time. And we're here back at this cliff spot again from the last video. I'm just trying to show Cuz how high this is. This is really high. This is not, look at it fall. This is where I fish at times. But yep, let's see what we can pick up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. This is how we do it. This is my jackfish spot right here. Got a nice cast right there. Cuz! You need that?
What?
That bucket. So where's the bait in the cooler? So when I go, where on I'll stay here, so?
I'm coming in.
So that makes sense. You stay like a reef, which part there's a whole bunch of structure here. I'm gonna walk. You heard? He'll show you how to cast. Just don't drop the rod. Don't jump in this water. I'm leaving them for a second because there's a spot around here that I want to catch my cast. And a lower spot that I need to climb to. Hey, cuz! Done you so good too, you know? Right there, so. My cuz first time fishing. I got cuz up there, give him a little one-on-one. Running this Missouri crystal minnow this morning, guys. Sun's just coming up off these reefs. Trying to get a smash this morning. Good cast. Letting off that glimmer. Huh? Cast, dude? Who's that? Yeah, they're gonna shift and move. Yeah, guys, they're gonna shift and move. We're just trying to pick up here. Water looks good down here, guys. I'm gonna climb up top and go around. See what I can pick up from this side, guys. What did I hit? Nothing. I'm wondering if I should go to a deep diver. Let's give me a little bit deeper dive. Nothing, guys. You know what? I'm gonna try a bigger lure up here though. There's a diver in the water, so it makes things kind of sticky. Crazy, crazy water here, guys. I didn't want to go all the way around to the other side. It was just too much for me to get through right now. And we're not planning on staying here all day. That wasn't the game plan this morning. But we end up stopping here anyways. So, thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe. And watch the ads, guys. Stay tuned for more epic Jamaican shore fishing videos. Little yellowtail. Yellowtails hit hard. That's what they do. Vamos a Maronia here. Give me. Bring it, let me show you. You ain't got shit. Pay attention to what you're doing.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Get out of there. Come over here.
Ah, damn. Just stuff the old water.
It's part of fishing. Hold this to me. Stay right where you at. Don't move.
Yep.
Hold it. Watch. 1 foot off the top line to the leader line. See it? Come back up.
Yeah.
Bail. Trigger finger on the bail. Unlock bail. Hands on the rod. Both rods. Don't move. I know what I'm doing. I'm good at this. And you cast.
And then lock it up.
After it drops, you're gonna feel it drop the bottom. Watch the tip of the rod. You see it?
Yeah, I seen a nod.
It hits the bottom now. Now you tension up. You keep this tension on that line like this. You're gonna feel when the fish hit the line. Once you keep that tension, keep that belly out of it. You wanna keep that belly out of it and keep your line tensioned as much as you can, right? Mm-hmm. And the breeze is blowing this way, so you're gonna get a little belly going that way. But I'll tell you when you get a hit.
I felt them eat the line, but I didn't know they was catching it.
No, I'll
I
tell
thought it
you.
was gonna catch it and run.
Just like you trying to catch them, they're trying not to get caught. You understand? Hold this. Feel this. Hold this. Just keep tension on it.
Yep.
Put the butt on your belly, and you know. You'll feel there's a difference between it. Don't move it. Don't keep moving. You're gonna get stuck if you do that. Because there's lots of reef down there. You get them? Eh? You got something?
I might.
Line up. You sure? Don't stop. Once you commit, bring in. Don't stop. You'll feel it on it if you do. And don't prematurely move. That's why I like using circle hooks. Get automatically set. Nope, ain't got shit.
Damn.
Nope. Wind it up. Wind it up. No. Just wind it up. Let me get you back out in that sweet spot. Yeah, I got a sweet spot out here. Give me. It's good. Let me get you back out real quick.
Oh.
I have a sweet spot out here that I grabbed. Hold on. Hold this. It's a sweet spot that you don't get too much hitching up on. There's a fish pot down here someplace. So always drop next to it too. That's how it's supposed to sound. That's how it's supposed to feel. See it drop on the bottom? All right, good. You're getting a hit.
Yep.
He ain't on it.
Got it.
He's picking it. He's picking it. Watch. Pick. That's a pick.
Yep,
That's a
got
pick.
it.
That's a pick. That's not a get. That's a get now.
Got him. Got him.
Going now one hole in the cuz. He went to a hole. Yeah. That's why I don't like using small hooks. Cause small hooks brings you small fish. Small fish.
He
What
took,
is-
he took the thing?
No, it broke.
Oh.
Hold on, let me give you a break.
He just lost a 2-pound ball.
Don't worry about that. Yeah, that's good right there. This hook automatically set once it goes into the jaw. Even if they grab it and they try to run, this automatically goes in. That's why I use circle hooks. Snell knot on a Carolina rig. Line is strong. There's no breakage in the line. This line's all right. I'm good. Where's shrimp there? No. Where tread? Work hard to get that bitch off. You hear me? Alright. Don't move. Just stay right where I told you to stay, bro. And don't put no pressure on that rod. You'll break it. Hold this. Hold this.
I'm only holding this part.
Yeah.
It's resting on me.
So now, with this now, cuz, see 1 foot leader. There's a whole other different rig. You gotta be careful when you cast in these kind of rigs. But you're good. Just stay. Don't move.
Yep.
Right in the same spot. Huh? Where? Always. Dance always keep over them, man. Every time. Party keep that regular. Yeah, guys. So, checking out this one spot that I always checked out. I haven't caught anything in a while. And so let me see if I can get something here. Out there, guys, Jamaican shore fishing. Mm-hmm. Oh! Damn, that one ran up on me. Yo, I had a lizard fish run up on me. A fat one, boy. Fat boy ran up on my line just now. Fat. They're shore fishing. Be outside. Mm-hmm. That is it. What? Yeah, this is a little bit more trickier fishing, cuz. I'm telling cuz this is a little bit more tricky fishing. My fishing is a little bit more tedious, cuz. You cast 100,000 times and might not catch nothing. But after doing it for so long, you get skilled at it. Nice shaded spot right here. Mm-hmm. Ambara, just lick off that, look all I'm missing, you know? What plank, Jake? Cousin them down here fishing. I'm gonna walk, get down a little bit further, get a few more casts in, see what else I can pick up in this clear blue water. Not much structure in this spot, so highly doubt it. I seen that lizard fish run my line down a while ago. That was a good sign. And I totally forgot to bring a spoon lure with me this morning. Oh shit. Cast in that shade spot. Nobody swims there, so. I'm surprised. No barras in this calm, clear blue water. That is crazy, guys. There's normally barracudas all throughout these spots, especially over there. Ooh, long jaw. First one yet. That's weird. Go over to the shallows right there. Let's see what's up. Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Got you. Woo! Fish on. Fish on. Come on, baby. Woo! Get up here. Woo hoo! Woo hoo hoo hoo! Yeah, baby. Nigga. Calm down. Trying to lip grip tool, you fool. That's it right there. Get that hook out your mouth. Fat boy. Alright. We got you up now. Yeah, shore fishing. Nice fat barra. This is about 3 pounds. £3, guys. Woo woo. Shore fishing. Shore fishing. You know Jamaica shore fishing already, guys. We're about to get this in, guys. Yo, no joke about it. This is yours, my cuz. Yep. This is yours for dinner, cuz. Cuz I got this for you, cuz.
Cuz caught a big one.
Careful of the teeth. They're very, very... You will get bit. Careful. This is a good eating fish, cuz.
Hell yeah.
I've been hunting for one for you from the other day, cuz.
Yeah, you know we left the house 2 hours ago? 2 hours ago.
Mash up.
Mm-hmm. I'm next.
Cuz.
I'm about to catch one right now. I'm about to catch
Now, cuz. What them, cuz? Yo, I was like, yo, let me cast the shallows and where people swim. People don't, they normally hang out in the swim areas. And that bad boy just grabbed it. When you go forward, just release your finger at the same time as you coming over the top of your head. Don't worry about, yo, you get it. Just practice. Practice, cuz, practice. Cuz, I'm gonna have to give you the string. Alright, this is what you do. You heard? I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna look for another one. Here, bring this back over to you and cuz when you're done, you hear? I'm gonna walk.
Alright.
So, I'm still hunting, cuz.
I know.
Yeah, that's who I'm looking for, his girlfriend. Yeah, guys, so. Whoop whoop. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads. Stay tuned for more epic hookups. That boy Ambush Zone was in my reach, guys. He's a fat boy, so he covers good territory. All right, we'll walk around. Got a few casts here. walk. Cuz about to hold something over there in a minute. He's getting his swerve on. Whoop whoop. Heavy hitter. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. But we don't imitate this stuff. We do this for real. This is one of our skill sets. Oh, long jaw. Good sign. Oh, I got chased by something big a while ago. Oh, long jaws again. Good seeing you. That means you guys are seeing my lures. And everybody else is. Alright, we'll go a little bit further in that darker blue. Over that structure. And then we're going to walk back to the guys because we got to get out of here. We're heading down the line to a different spot, guys. And we're just hunting. Oh, fish on, guys. Oh, yeah, yeah, baby. I came off. Damn. Damn. That was a hookup, guys. That was a decent hookup. It wasn't hooked good. Ooh. Missed. That was a big fish. That was a big fish, guys. What the heck is going on here? Is my hooks bent? Because that's 2 fish already that hooked the line. Massive hookups a while ago. Come on, baby, where you at? Oh, man. Getting some massive hookups, guys, but they're not sticking on. All right, We'll walk down a little bit more to that tree. A few more casts on the spot, then we're gonna walk back, guys. Massive lizard fish chasing a while ago. One more cast at him again. I see you. Come on, baby boy. I know you guys are there. Oh, shit. Keep on getting massive hits here, guys. Gonna get wet now. Alright, we're gonna walk down. Then we're gonna take our time and head back the other way. I'm gonna try to cast in this little section right here, this drop off. Alright, come off. Alright, get him out. Out there. Nothing. Alright, we're gonna go down. So I'm heading back the other side and head back to the guys. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. That's some amazing hookups a while ago, guys. But I lost one and the other one just didn't commit. Few wicked chases, few wicked hits. That was awesome today. We're gonna try the pink lure out in a second before we go all the way back. Switch this lure off and see if we can get a different result with the pink lure versus this. Especially in this little spot where I've been getting so many hits. Let's get this lure off. Got some wicked hits a while ago, man. pink origlam bucktail. Alright, let's see if this is going to give me a better result. Oh shit. Almost got soaked. Thank you. Timing was just right on that one, guys. Hold up. Alright, let's give the pink lure a shot here and then we're going to head back. Getting chased, 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 getting chased. Oh, he broke off. It was a jack. They turn black when they chase, so you can see them in the water with the polarized shades, guys. The high vis lure is doing it. But just getting chased. It's a matter of time before he gets hit. He's getting chased, he's getting chased, getting chased, getting chased, getting chased, getting chased. Oh shoot, he broke off. Nice size jack too. Alright, let's see if we can pick you up. You're chasing it, chasing it, chasing it, chasing it, chasing it. Not, oh! Got him! Fish on! Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Yellowtail snapper. Look at this, guys! Oh my God, Becky! Guys! Guys! Yellowtail just came out of nowhere and smashed it. Wicked, guys. Look at this. Ooh-wee. Stay right there, mate. I'll take you up in a second. I'm going right on my string, mate. See if I can pick up another few of you fellas. Mute this. Chase, getting chased, getting chased, getting chased, getting chased, getting chased. That's what's up, fam. Alright, let me go side cast with this one, and that's it. We're gonna head back. Yeah, we're gonna head back. Grab our fish string, grab our yellowtail, and head back. Dinner size. Oh, come on, don't give me a hard time, buddy. I gotta go through your gill. Alright, let's get through them gills. Say ah. If you don't do it one way, you're gonna have to do it another way. Sorry about that, little fella. Yeah. That's how it works. Oh shit. I head back to cousin them. Cast a few more casts here with the yellow, this pink lure. They love this pink lure for some reason. Hey guys, so yeah, this pink be standing out. Definitely get anybody's attention in that water, especially being this clear. And Chase is here on this side yet. Ooh, friggin' seaweed. Mr. Seaweed. Gonna make you have problems. Nothing. Broke one of the hooks off my lure. That's how he got away. Bastard. That's it, shore fishing. Woo woo. Nice size, dinner size yellowtail. Head back to the guys.